welcome back to my channel. This is Ashanae here. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Ladies and gents, today we're going to be doing a get ready with me, and today I'm going to be reviewing some more lashes. This is from Lash Kitty that I ordered myself. I ordered these. This is the Lash Kitty times OhmgLashes collab. She has created 4 lashes with them, and I'm going to just be talking about that, and I'm going to also put on a pair in the video. But other than that, let's get started. Now, let's moisturize these lips though. I do have a previous lash video that I just uploaded 2 days ago. I will definitely put that in the description box and have it pop up in the cards. If you are new to eyelashes and you don't know how to apply them, I do have a video on that as well. I will link all of that in the description box because applying eyelashes can be very tricky. I'm not a professional, but I think I make it happen. Okay, let's hop into the video. My eyebrows are already done. I have a tutorial on that as well. That will be in the description box. Because I do not do my eyebrows on camera because they take a year and 2 days to do. Not literally, but y'all know what I mean. And so I'm going to just basically prime my eyes. Y'all know what I do, the normal basis. I just basically prime my eyes with the LA Girl Concealer. I'm going to go in with the Bhcosmetics Studio Pro 42 color eyeshadow palette. I did a review on this palette already. I just love this palette. This is super awesome for when you're just starting out doing eyeshadow, doing makeup, period. This is a nice palette. You have every shade from mattes, every shade into shimmers. Like you just can't go wrong. So I'm gonna just go in with these 2 shades right here. These are my favorite transition shades. And where's my brush? Where's my brush at though? Let's see. Oh, in my face, as per usual. So I'm gonna go in with these 2 shades right here. A halo eye, so we're gonna go in with this brown shade right here. Go into the Morphe 3502 palette. I'm gonna go in with this orange shade right here, and I'm gonna just basically blend out the brown shade. And we're gonna go into, I'm gonna go into this shade right here. Was it that shade? Yeah, it was. And I'm gonna just put that right in the center, like right in the center. Just take some spray, any type of spray. It could be a setting spray, it could be freshen spray. I'm going to spray my brush just one time. I'm not going to soak the brush, and I'm going to just go over what I just applied. So it's going to make it like a little more of a foil look, and you can actually see this is a difference in these 2 eyes. So I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Then the main attraction is going to be, I'm going to go in, I went in with this shade right here. Now I'm going to go this shade just right in the middle. La, la, la. Just give it a little spotlight type of effect. Put that right in the middle, going up. That's it. Boom. Look how that gave it a little spotlight look. Okay, so we are done with the eyes, and we're gonna just do the face. that I'm doing all this concealer and I don't have no powder. So I'm just not gonna get no powder. Like, and now we're gonna get into these lashes from Lash Kitty. I just love this cute little silver packaging. Like, they just, like, the packaging just gave me life automatically. Like, 4 styles of lash. So we have Fabulash blue. These are like, did I wear these yesterday? Yep, I wore these yesterday. They were really giving me a little bit of trouble. I don't know, because it's my first time wearing them, and it's different when you have brand new eyelashes. They have to fit to your eye. So I like the lashes. I like the little fluttery. I love them. They're long AF. I like them so much. I don't know if I have a favorite yet, but I wore 2 pairs so far, but these are the ones I wore yesterday. These are super bomb. I freaking like them. The style is like super unique. And this is the packaging. These are her eyes on the box. That's lit. Like, these are really her eyes on the box. Like, and then they have her Instagram and her YouTube on the back. Now we're gonna go into a Glam on. I don't think I wore Glam on yet. Let me see. Did I? No, I did not wear Glam on yet. I think these are the, I don't know if these are gonna be the ones I wear today. These are Glam on, super wispy. I can honestly say each lash is wispy, but they all have their own pattern, if you get what I'm saying. So these are super cute. I like these as well. This is Workflow. Now, Workflow, I think Workflow is my favorite. These are super wispy, more of a natural lash, but they're long, and you could go to work. That's why it says Workflow. Go to work with these. These are dope. Like, ever since, I don't know, since I've learned how to apply my own lashes, like, I just love buying lashes. I don't know, I think I became a lash fanatic. I don't know, I think so. I think I need to be diagnosed. And these are Drama Queen. I don't know if I want to put on Drama Queen today. I think I'm gonna do what's the other one? I don't know, but this is Drama Queen. Like, this is full of drama. Like, the drama is here. Like, here you go, drama. Like, they ain't gotta know you're a drama queen. You just have to pop these on and be like this. There you go. Boom. These are super fluttery, super wispy. I'm a wispy type of girl. I don't like all the, I don't know. They just have to come out. Like, I don't like lashes that come straight out like this. It's so annoying. I just like them to be like this. Woo. Okay, so which pair should I wear? I think I should wear a lash that I haven't worn yet. So I think I'm going to do Glam on today. So I'm going to apply Glam on today, and I'm going to apply them, and I'll be right back. And I am wearing the lashes. I done popped my wig on. But these Lash Kitty lashes, so far I've worn, well, I have the 3rd pair. I have 4 pairs. I wore 3 pairs so far. So far, I really like this lash. I think this is going to be my favorite lash, because these lashes gave me no problems. Not that the other ones did, but these here, like, they're not heavy. But at first when you put them on, it's like, it feels like something is sitting in your eyelids. But they are okay. They fit nicely on my eyes. They don't come too far in the inner corner, because sometimes when they come too far in the inner corner, it's really hard for me to blink, because I feel like something's poking me. But I like these lashes. I love these lashes, actually. These lashes are bomb. I'm going to leave her YouTube in my description box. And go to LashKitty.com and copy some. And she also has a coupon code, so get some money off if you order your lashes. So I thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to click that subscribe button. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And if you recreate any of my looks, please tag me on social media. I have Instagram, Snapchat, and I got Facebook. So hit that bitch up. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.